Thanks to this, my hair grows every day uncontrollably. Although many experts say there is no way to accelerate hair growth, there are several natural remedies that people have used and passed from generation to generation, claiming that they grow hair faster. The only way to find out is to try it on yourself. One trick that does not fail is to get pregnant with a male. Hair grows very fast. However, as that is not very practical advice to say, here are others. Home remedies for hair growth. 1. Contraceptive pills to make hair grow fast. This homemade trick to accelerate hair growth was taught by a cousin. Grind 4 or 5 birth control pills and add them to the shampoo. Not only does hair grow faster, but it also makes it healthier and more abundant. 2. The Triple Grow Cap. This is a cap they sell that I bought to try it because it says in the package that brings a treatment that grows hair. The cap can also be purchased online. 3. Hide the tips. Make hairstyles that do not expose the tips. For example, a bow. But do not make it too tight, as hairstyles that pull hair are not recommended. 4. Reflexology to grow hair. To make hair grow faster, do this reflexology exercise. Put your hands in a semi-fist and rub your fingernails together for 5 minutes every day. 5. The moon. They say that cutting the tips every month on a growing day makes hair grow faster. 6. Sleeping with braids makes hair grow faster. This is a terrific home remedy for hair to grow fast. Before you go to sleep, wash your hair. With your hair still wet, get 2 braids. Sleep all night with the braids. In 2 or 3 days of sleeping like this, you will notice that your hair looks longer. I